Let's check out the to function. In this table you will see that linked cell below is the header. By that I mean that the cells in these column are linked to some other tab sheets, and if I click control and open bracket, it will take me to the tab sheet where that linking was made. And if I want to go back to that particular cell from where I came, then in that case we will click on find and select, go to, and we click OK. Then Excel takes us back. So suppose for this next cell, which is the Ravi, and if I want to go to the cell from where this is coming, then I will press control, open bracket, and it takes me to the tab sheet where the Ravi is linked with. And if I want to go back to the original, then I'll have to go to find and select, go to, and click OK. That's it. Let us now check the go to special, which is the column difference and row difference. We first go to the find and select and click on go to difference. Here is the column difference and here is the row difference. First let us see the column content. Of this we have names like Andrew, and then Sim, and then Flintoff. Likewise, so suppose you have a very big list and you have the names, the same name running throughout the list, and then you start with another name and you don't know where the next name is starting from. So to find out that where the next name is starting from, we use the column difference. We first select the cell, shift control down arrow. Next we click on find and select and we click on go to special. We click on column difference. You will notice that first I have selected the cell right from the beginning till the end. The moment I click on this column difference and I click OK, you will find that Excel will take me to the next name after Andrew. I click OK and see it has taken me to the next name after Andrew. So I can color this like say blue, and I want the next name. I want to go to the cell from where the next name is starting from. So once again I click on find and select, I click on go to special, and I click on column difference. I click OK. You will see that from cell number B95 my next name Flintoff is starting. So I can color this also in different color like orange. So this is how the column difference is used. You can use the same for the row difference when you have the like names running throughout your row, and then from somewhere from an interval a new name starts. So it would be the same procedure. All you'll have to do is to find and select, go to special, and you'll be clicking on row difference instead of column difference. Next is go to special blanks. Suppose you have some cells where you have input yes and the blanks are left, and in all the blanks you have to insert a common text or a common number. So we won't do it like this, like no in this cell, and then we will go to the next cell and we will click no, not like this. Control Z, Control Z. We will select the entire cell range. Next we will click on find and select, we'll go to special, we'll click on blanks, and we click OK. You will notice that all the blank cells have been highlighted, and next we enter suppose no, and we won't hit enter. We will first press the control and then we will hit enter. You will see that with a single control and enter, all the cells where no was required is auto-filled. So that's the function of control enter, including the blanks. Next is go to special precedence and dependence. You will notice that I have entered the number 3 and 4 in these two cells, and 7 is the sum of 3 plus 4, and 14 is the sum of all these numbers. So if we want to know which one is the precedent, or which one is the dependent, we go to the cell, next we click on the go to special and we click on precedence. We click OK and you will notice that Excel highlights those cells which are the precedents of these cells. Next, if I click on this cell number 048 and I click on find and select and I click on go to special, next if I click on dependent and I click OK, you will see that 7 is dependent on cell number 14. So that's the function of precedence and dependence.